Hello, everybody. Welcome to our YouTube and Zion website tutorial. The reason we're doing this today is a couple different reasons. One, I've been wanting to put down some instructions on how to get on YouTube for quite some time now. But also, if those of you who have been attending our live services, you know that we've been having some issues with our internet. So I'm also testing it out to see if anything happens, or if it's time of day, or what was causing those issues. So first of all, thank you all for being here. I greatly appreciate it. Now you can see in the background here, I'm down in the bottom left-hand corner here. You can see in the background, I have just a simple web browser open. So I'm going to show you how to either sign up for YouTube or log into YouTube and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So I am in the church right now. So if you're wondering why I am wearing a mask, yes, I am here alone, but I obviously want to make sure that I'm still keeping all of my breath inside and contained for everybody else. So I've opened up a brand new tab here. So what I'm going to do first is type in at the top, let me get that out of there, YouTube. That is youtube.com. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you will show a generic YouTube page with some videos on the first screen here. If you want to go up in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see where it says sign in. This is what we want to do first. So you can sign in. You're going to want to enter your email, whatever email address that is. Hit next. Couldn't find your Google account. So that's because that is not a Google email address. If you do not have a Gmail account already, you're going to want to go down here to where it says create account. If you do have a Gmail, you just type your Gmail in that first line there, click next, and then it will ask you for your password. So we're going to click on create account. You're going to want to click on for myself here. And it's very simple information. First name, last name, email address. And then password. Confirm the password. Make sure this is something that you remember. I know it's not good to keep using the same password over and over again, but I have multiple variations of the same password. You'll then click next. It will enter the code. It'll ask you to enter the code that they just sent to your email address. So you can either open a new tab by clicking up here and go to your email, or like me, you can go on your phone and just look up what email was just sent to you. Once you open that email, it'll say this is to verify that this email is yours. It'll give you, I'll see if I can show you, a 6-digit number right in the middle there. So I'm going to do 361883 and verify. Now that's verifying that I do in fact have that email account. You can type in your phone number. I don't know if date of birth and gender are... Oh, phone number is optional. Let's see if birthday and gender are optional. No, okay. So you will need your birthday, gender. You can also say rather not say if you'd like, and then hit next. It will give you all the details that you can go through and read for creating a Gmail account. And then you're going to hit I agree. Once that's done, you've created a YouTube account that easily, and you are now logged in to your YouTube page. So now, what you're going to do from here, you're going to go into the search bar up here, and you're going to type in the full name of our church, Zion United Church of Christ. Ideally, it will be the first one on your screen here. So if you can see Zion United Church of Christ, make sure that you see our steeple with our sign. Believe it or not, there are a lot of Zion United Churches of Christ all over the world. So you see this big red button over here where it says subscribe. You're going to want to hit that. Now that you've hit subscribe, see this little bell that goes right next to it here? You're going to want to click that. It'll open up 3 options. This is for your notifications. So you want to turn on all notifications for Zion United Church of Christ. This will let you know when we go live, when we upload a video, really any kind of activity that happens on our YouTube page. Now, I don't know if I can zoom or not. If you see right now, our YouTube page has 69 subscribers at the time of the recording of this video. Pastor Scott, if you don't follow him on Facebook, you may have noticed that he put a post out a couple of days ago. It says that we're trying to increase the amount of subscribers we have on our YouTube. We're trying to get to 100. Once we get to 100, it unlocks a lot of features for us, one of which being we get our own URL, our own address at YouTube, if you will. So what Pastor Scott has done is he has offered I forget the type of ham, but it's a ham to our 100th subscriber. So those of you who are watching this right now, go ahead and subscribe. If you want to wait a little bit to try to get the 100, that's fine with me. But that is how you create a YouTube account. Then when you click on this Zion United Church of Christ, you should see our windows, again, our steeple, and then you can see all of our videos. So today, I just uploaded part 3 of 4 of our stained glass window mini series. That was uploaded 52 minutes ago. You can see all of our services on here, all of our mini series. We're going to start having all of our anthems on this page, as well as children's sermon. Keep an eye out this Thursday. It's going to be the release of our first 4 to 5 minute children's sermon. So this is where you can access all of our videos. You can also click on videos here, and it should give you a good list of all of our services going back to our first summer service on June 14th, 2020. If you want to laugh, you can go look at some of these first 3 services to see how poorly we did, and just to compare to where we are right now with the level of service that we're doing. So that is how to create a YouTube account. Remember, if you have a Gmail email address already, you already have a YouTube account, and all you have to do is type in your email and your password to get in there. Now, as far as our website goes, you'll see this is what our new website looks like. You can see at the top here, we have our menu bar. So these are going to be all of your main features. So the way that this is set up is you can either scroll all the way down the first screen, or you can choose across. Sorry, my finger's got to go this way. You can choose which menu item you want to select across the top. If you want to stay on one page the whole time, you can literally scroll all the way down to the bottom and see most things that we're doing. We have our welcome message. This is uploaded, or updated rather, after every council meeting. This has special announcements as well as when our next council meeting will be. Obviously, COVID-19 updates will be in this section here. At the bottom, you see 2 little buttons that you can click on. One is Facebook. If you click on that, it'll bring you directly to our Facebook page. Oh, I'm not going to do that because it's going to show me live. And then if you click on YouTube, it'll bring you right to our YouTube page. That's whether you have a YouTube account or not. If you scroll down a little further, we have our subscribe form. You can type in your name and email address. If you're not already on our list, simply hit submit. That way we know how to contact you with virtual annual reports as far as the annual meeting and things like that. You scroll down to the next section here. These are our news updates. So we write articles for mainly big events that we have going on. The last article that was written was Church at Home, a council meeting update, as well as information about the annual meeting. If you're interested in attending our annual meeting, first of all, we're looking to set a record because it is virtual and everybody can attend in their PJs. So go ahead and read. There's a lot of good information in that article there. And then if you want to get to the rest of what we've posted, again, up at the top here, you're just going to click on News right there. I'll show you that in a moment. So scrolling down, we have who we are as far as some of our history. If you click on More History, that'll take you to the About or Home page. This is an important part here. I'm going to try to get my mouse to not move. This is our events. So as you see, we have 3 events on schedule right now. The Ash Wednesday service, we have Social Hour, as well as our annual meeting. Ash Wednesday is going to be February 17th, live streamed at 7 p.m. The Zion Online Social Hour. This is going to be a practice for any of you planning to attend our annual meeting the week after. So we're using a new platform. It's called GoToWebinar. The tech team is actually going to practice that tonight. So the council will be practicing next week. If you plan on attending our annual meeting, please go to our website, and right underneath these, you'll see 3 buttons that say RSVP. Ash Wednesday online service, you don't necessarily need to RSVP for that, but definitely the online social hour, as well as the Zion virtual annual meeting. You have pictures of our staff here. You can click on See More. That'll again bring you to the About page. Then you get to all of our videos. This is all Zion videos, so this is anthems, mini-series, children's sermons, and services all mixed together here. You can donate online with our PayPal account by clicking right here. Activities and volunteering. So if you see, we have our homeless warming center, details on what just happened there. Community meals, we've got some pictures in there. I just spoke with Regina this morning, actually. She goes, boy, you got a lot of pictures on me on the website. I said, yes, I know. So, and then Better Living Exercise class. Again, we're not doing this because of COVID, but if you do want to attend that in the future, you can click on Inquiries About Class, and it will actually pull up an email directly to the class instructor, Linda. So if you see our Instagram feed right here, these are all the posts we posted to Instagram. You can contact us here. We have our map. And then on Sunday mornings, you actually have the opportunity to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. And because it's black right now, because we are not live for a stream, I didn't set it up for this. But this will show the live feed. So going back up to the top, sorry, I don't want to make you all sick here. And this shouldn't be too much longer, but you can also access all of this from across the top. If you hover over the word home, oh, my face is in the way. If you hover over home, you can go to any of those points, meet the team, videos, donate, and it'll jump right to that part. About and frequently asked questions. This was recently updated as well. It has some church history and frequently asked questions. What time is the service? How can I donate? How do I watch online? So you'll be able to go through that and find more information. Then we have the Zion Church Council listed out here, as well as all the boards and committee chairs. So if you click on, or if you hover over all videos, you have 3 options. You can either click on where it says all videos, that will give you all videos. You can go to our worship videos, our mini-series, and our anthems. Gallery, real quick, this is where all of our pictures are. If you click on stained glass windows here, I actually haven't updated this since I uploaded the 3rd part to our mini-series, but you'll have the videos right up top here, and then you have all the still frames of our beautiful windows throughout the bottom. So, news, this is the blog post that I said I would show you. You have all of our updates here. You can go through and read, what we've written in the past, and keep an eye out for what we post in the future. Contact us is pretty self-explanatory, and donate is pretty self-explanatory. If you want other options to donate, you can click on all donation options, and then you can see you can pay by credit or debit card, direct deposit, mail a check, or pay in person. The cool part about this is if you click on this picture right here, it actually will download our direct deposit form right on your computer. So I tried to make it as easy as possible for you. So that's a tutorial, a basic run through on our website, as well as how to sign up for a YouTube page, and then how to subscribe to our page, and then how to turn on all of the notifications. So again, it looks like I haven't lost any of you. I've been live for about 20 minutes now. So I appreciate everything that all of you, all the messages that you all send throughout the week. And I'm really hoping this Sunday we don't lose internet again. So we will talk to you soon. Thanks again. Bye-bye.